And Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala is optimistic the agriculture sector will continue to recover following last year's series of natural calamities. This report by Freddy Abando.
It was a tough year for agriculture with the impact of a series of natural calamities which affected food production in the country. Rice production has been a major casualty. Key rice-producing areas to include central Luzon and several provinces of the Visayan region lost substantial harvests which affected supply and prices for 2014. Immediate interventions provided to farmers to include seeds and fertilizers helped greatly in the recovery efforts to ensure adequate supply of rice. The first 2 months of 2014 was challenging for Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala. To contain the spike in prices, the National Food Authority released stocks from its warehouses to ease the burden of and the lack of supply.
Pagka ganyan sinasabing nagmamahal, lalong nagmamahal. Ang realidad po, for the past 5 days na po, bumaba na po ng piso hanggang 150 per kilo yung pong commercial rice. Ang dahilan po kasi is March na po, nag-harvest na po sa ibang lugar. But I think by last week of March, yan po yung kasingkaran hanggang April po, nandun po yung kasingkaran ng pag-harvest ng ating pong mga dry season crop.
Now in terms of importation,
even yung pong palay sa pamimili po ng mga mills po ay bumaba po ng nasa 2 piso sa Region 2 at saka Region 3. Wala pong problema doon sa supply. Ang presyo po ng NFA ay nandyan po. Yung gusto po ng ating mga kababayan na mas makabili ng mas reasonable, go to NFA retailers at meron po kaming supply.
Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala assured the projected target of almost 20 million metric tons of rice to be harvested is doable. In fact, this month harvest for the first crop of 2014 is ongoing. The volume of importations for 2014 is still under review by the President's economic team. Last year, the government imported 287,000 metric tons. Initial reports peg for importation this year is at 1 million metric tons.
Wala pong nagsasabing 1 million, but the economic managers is discussing this ng magpipresent po yung interagency committee para po makapag-decision po yung economic managers kung ilan po talaga. Anyway, sinabi po naman natin, imposibleng walang i-importen sapagkat hindi po naman talaga na-hit natin ang sufficiency noong 2013.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.